two automation tools, same exact workflow. But one of them can cost you 10 times more than the other. Not because you picked the wrong plan, it's because of how each tool counts your work. That's the real difference between n8n and Make in 2026. It's not easy versus hard. It's about three things: how they charge you, how good their AI agents really are, and where your data actually stays. Let's go through all three, quickly and clearly. Make is fully hosted. You build scenarios on a visual screen, and Make runs everything on their own servers. You never touch any server yourself. n8n is open source. You can host it yourself for free on your own server, or you can use n8n Cloud if you don't want to manage a server. This one difference, hosted only versus self-hosted option, is the reason for almost everything else in this video. Keep this in mind. This is the part most videos get wrong or skip. Make charges per operation. Every single module in your workflow counts as one operation, every time it runs. Example, a simple 5-step workflow: a trigger, a lookup, a formatting step, a CRM update, a Slack message. That's 5 operations, every single run. Run it 2,000 times a month, normal for a small business, and that's 10,000 operations. That alone can finish your whole starter plan. n8n charges per execution. One full workflow run, no matter how many steps inside it, counts as just one. A 20-step workflow costs the same as a 3-step workflow. On n8n's Pro plan, 30,000 runs a month cost around $60. Add AI steps like multiple AI calls per record, and Make's cost jumps up fast. But n8n stays the same, because it never counts individual steps. If you only run a few simple workflows a month, Make's pricing is actually fine, even cheap. The problem shows up only when you scale up, or when you start using a lot of AI steps. Most people also guess their operation count wrong, usually 2 to 4 times lower than what they actually use. This part is new information. Old comparison videos don't cover this properly. Make added AI agents in April 2025. It works, but it's still early. No proper RAG support, weak memory handling, and no multi-agent setup yet. Good enough for simple things like summarizing a document or sorting support tickets. Not good enough yet for a real, independent AI agent doing multi-step work. n8n is ahead here. It has 70+ built-in AI nodes, LangChain support built in, vector database support, and an AI builder. You type what you want in plain English, and it builds the workflow for you, ready to edit. One number worth knowing: a large company reportedly saved over £2 million a year after moving a security monitoring workflow to n8n, mainly because execution-based pricing stayed steady even as their AI usage grew. That shows what happens when heavy AI use meets the wrong pricing model. Costs can grow very fast. If AI agents are a big part of what you're building, n8n is the safer, more ready platform right now. One important fact: Make has no self-hosting option at all. Your data always stays on their cloud servers. For healthcare, finance, legal, or any business with strict data rules, this alone can rule out Make, even before you compare pricing or features. n8n solves this exact problem. You can self-host it, so your data stays fully on your own server, under your own control. This is why many regulated businesses still choose n8n, even when Make would be quicker to build with. Pick Make if you're not technical, you want something running in 20 minutes, your workflows are simple and low volume, and you'd rather pay a bit more than manage a server. Pick n8n if you're technical or ready to learn, you're building real AI agents, data privacy matters to you, or your usage is high enough that per operation billing would actually hurt. Both tools let you test for free before deciding. Make's free plan has no time limit. n8n's Community Edition is free forever if you self-host it. Build your daily workflow in both first, then decide. Switching later takes real time and effort. So that's the real 2026 comparison. Not just easy versus powerful, but pricing, AI readiness, and data control. If this video helped you decide, subscribe for more videos like this. I cover automation and AI tools every week.